Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. The Fed anticipates a possible rate hike greater than expected. What are artificial intelligence AI cryptocoins and how do they work? PancakeSwap launches version 3 on BINANCE Smart Chain. The demand for blockchain and cryptocurrency developers is increasing. DOGECOIN falls after Elon Musk talks about artificial intelligence. TERRAFORM Labs and its founder are being investigated by the Singapore police.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
The Fed anticipates a possible rate hike greater than expected. As we advanced on Monday, you had to be very attentive to the news, especially on Tuesday and Wednesday with the intervention of Jerome Powell, chairman of the U.S. Federal Reserve. Through its chairman, the U.S. Federal Reserve announced a possible interest rate hike. The measure was taken in response to inflation and accelerated economic growth. It is expected that the interest rate will increase in the near future. The U.S. financial market reacted with a slight drop on Tuesday, continuing on Wednesday. The Fed indicated that it could raise the interest rate more than initially expected. It should be noted that inflation has been a significant problem in the U.S. in recent months. This measure by the Fed aims to curb rising prices and stabilize the economy. Financial market experts are evaluating the implications of the Fed's decision. And as for Bitcoin and the world of cryptocurrencies, it is not immune. It has continued its correlation with traditional markets. In that sense, Bitcoin traders are evaluating how they could be affected by the interest rate hike. Some experts believe that Bitcoin could be a safe investment in times of inflation. What are artificial intelligence AI cryptocoins and how do they work? Cryptocurrencies and artificial intelligence AI are two rapidly growing technologies today. In recent years, a new category of cryptocurrencies called AI cryptocoins or AI-based cryptocurrencies has been created. AI cryptocoins use machine learning technology to improve the functionality and efficiency of transactions. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that rely on simple algorithms, AI cryptocoins use complex algorithms that can learn and improve over time. AI technology is used to enhance the security, privacy, and speed of cryptocurrency transactions. Additionally, AI can also be used to predict market movements and offer investment advice to users. Popular AI cryptocoins include SingularityNet, Fetch, and Cortex. These cryptocurrencies have been designed to leverage the capabilities of AI and enhance user experience. For example, SingularityNet uses AI technology to create a decentralized network of artificial intelligence. This network allows users to share and use AI technology to improve the functionality of their own applications. Fetch uses AI technology to improve the efficiency of transactions on its platform. The company has created a machine learning system that can predict user behavior and offer faster and more secure transactions. On the other hand, Cortex uses AI technology to enhance the privacy and security of cryptocurrency transactions. The company has created a machine learning system that can detect and prevent security attacks on its platform. Although AI cryptocoins are relatively new in the market, it is expected that their popularity will continue to grow in the coming years. As AI technology becomes more sophisticated, AI cryptocoins are likely to become more efficient and effective in the world of cryptocurrencies. PancakeSwap launches version 3 on BINANCE Smart Chain. PancakeSwap, a decentralized exchange DEX on the BINANCE Smart Chain, has launched its version 3. The new version aims to improve the speed and efficiency of the platform. It also includes new features such as an enhanced user interface and a liquidity pooling system. PancakeSwap is one of the most popular DEXs and has seen a significant increase in trading volume in recent months. The platform has also launched its native token, Cake, which has seen a price increase of over 1,000% since January. PancakeSwap is competing with other leading DEXs such as Uniswap and SushiSwap in the decentralized exchange space. The platform has gained popularity due to lower transaction fees and compatibility with the BINANCE Smart Chain. The release of PancakeSwap's version 3 is expected to further boost its growth and attract more users to the platform. The demand for blockchain and cryptocurrency developers is increasing. Companies are looking to hire blockchain technology experts to develop new applications. Cryptocurrencies also need developers to improve the security and functionality of their platforms. Salaries for blockchain and cryptocurrency developers are high compared to other technology jobs. Additionally, there is a talent shortage in the field, which increases demand. The demand for blockchain and cryptocurrency developers is expected to continue increasing in the near future. Dogecoin falls after Elon Musk talks about artificial intelligence. The price of Dogecoin has dropped after Elon Musk talked about artificial intelligence. Musk tweeted that artificial intelligence AI is much more dangerous than the atomic bomb. Musk's comment caused a 5% drop in Dogecoin's price. Dogecoin's price has been influenced in the past by Musk's tweets. Musk is a known advocate of Dogecoin and has used his influence to boost its price. However, it seems that his comments about AI have had the opposite effect on the Dogecoin market. TERRAFORM Labs and its founder are being investigated by the Singapore police. The Monetary Authority of Singapore has launched an investigation into possible violations of securities regulations by TERRAFORM Labs and its founder, Do Kwon. The investigation arose after receiving information about suspicious activities in the Mirror Protocol market. In addition, the U.S. SEC has filed a lawsuit against TERRAFORM Labs for the unregistered sale of securities on its platform. The company has denied any wrongdoing and said it will cooperate with authorities. The investigation highlights the increasing regulatory scrutiny of cryptocurrencies in their market.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking at me.